What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. On today's video, we're going to be doing the amber deletes and the side emblem badges on Josh's 2019 STI. Alright guys, so first we're going to be using, I would use a heat gun. If you don't have a heat gun, we're going to be using a hair dryer. And you're going to heat up the emblem, get the glue nice and loose, and then we're going to use like a fishing string to go ahead and try to cut it while it's behind it, and maybe pry it with like a plastic tool. You don't want to mess up the paint. So let's go ahead and start that. You know why I'm here, don't act like you know how I feel. But let me tell you what you mean to me. Slide on me for that meet and greet. Vibe with me under moonshine, sipping moonshine to the new sky. Sage toasted and be raised soaked in the raincoat. Hit the waves quota, I be flossing, I be locked in. I was lost here, all that turned me to a target. So right here, there is like a little nipple that goes in that hole there, but it's not clipped or anything. It comes right off. All it is a 3M tape, and now we're gonna remove the rest of it. So the glue came off pretty easily. Now we're gonna be putting the new one on. You see the 3M tape here. We're just gonna peel it off and it literally just sticks right on. This one doesn't actually have a nipple that's gonna go in that hole, but it's literally just gonna go right over. So you're just gonna remove the back of the 3M tape and then stick it right on. You only get one shot. Once you get it on there, make sure to hold it on there tight for like 10 seconds to let the glue really stick. So we cut it so that we can get a better idea of how it's gonna lay. And we're gonna lay it just like this, so the sharp part is gonna go at the bottom. And this is gonna be like this here. So first, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some, we cleaned it off. Make sure you clean it and dry it. And then we're gonna have some water and soap. We're gonna wet it, so when we put the sticker on there, we can move it in the place that we want it. Soap and water first.
Child grew up quick, but never let go of this here. I put all of that in my rip. Hey, blue tint papers, blowing vapors, wouldn't trade this. Long hair killer in my villa, bitch.
Where do you like it, Josh?
Everything is good, but I'm recording.
I think right there is good.
One.
What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah? Alright, we'll leave it. And then we'll heat it and squeegee it. Alright, so now we're just gonna use this little tool to squeegee out all the little soap and water and bubbles. Dry it up a little bit.
Hold it down for me. Say you hold it all the way down. Hold it down for me. Say you down for me.
Alright guys, so we're done with the install. It's honestly a really easy install, but I thought maybe there's some of you out there that could benefit from this. Maybe kind of get an idea of what it's like before you attempt it yourself, and maybe these tips and tricks can help you, or if you have any others, please leave them in the comments down below. That way we can all learn. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend. If you would like to support the channel, make sure to check out that join button right next to the subscribe button to become a member. And as always guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on future content, and see you guys in the next one. Thanks.